guys, welcome back to Amazing Amir, and today I'm gonna show you how to increase gaming experience on your Android device. So if you're having games like Real Racing 3 and Mortal Kombat on your Android device, this one application can really fix that problem. So this application can also fix lags on your devices. So for this you need a rooted device. So guys, if you don't know how to root your Android device, just search on Google how to root and enter your smartphone's name. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, go to Play Store and install this application called Trimmer, and in brackets S-Trim. So what does this application do is, this application clears the cache and some other files and some system file which are not required for your Android device, and that's what this application do. So let's get into the application and let's see what's inside it. So guys, when you install and open this application, the first thing you need to do is simply grant the root permissions, because without root this app is nothing. So when you open this application, you will get a user friendly interface and two options are checked in, which is the data and cache. So you can also check in the system thing. Listen, this application will not harm your device. In fact, it will boost your device and all the lags in your device will be fixed. So now I'm selecting the system option, and when you select the trim now button, your device will be optimized and there will be no lags, I guarantee. So let's push this button, and as you can see, trim completed, and this all things will occur. And this application also has a feature called enable auto trim. So what it will do is, when you select this option enable auto trim, you can fix the time to trim every day or trim twice a day. So when you do this, your device gets optimized and lag free. So I hope this application helps, and this application works 100%, I guarantee. I've used this application for 1 year and I guarantee it will not harm your device. And if it harms your device, just send email to this developer, and that's it. Thanks for watching. My name is Amazing Amir and I'm signing out.